There's one thing she forgot which is essential. Do you know what it is? In case of too much sunlight, you have an umbrella. Woo! Yeah, boy! Lana completely forgot that she has an umbrella so she doesn't get a sunburn. Alright, don't break the Rolls-Royce umbrella. Damn! Look at that. Wow.
This is so cool.
Yeah, boy. Alright, let's pop this bad boy back in where it came from, boys. See you.
Okay, time for my mom to get in. Wait, how do I unlock this? Great. Wait, oh my gosh. I don't know how to unlock the car. That's great, guys. Oh. Wait, I don't know how to do it. I don't know. One second. Alright, here, I think it's from the keys. Okay.